Okay, hey everybody, welcome to Tyler's Cooking. Today we're not cooking actually. We're trying out some foods that have been prepared by many delicious chefs. Hey, I'm here with my friend Sam. Say hi.
That's not true. Guys, that's not true. Never been by chef. It was actually by this great cooker right here. Yeah.
Okay, so the first item up, we have some beans. Eat your food.
Okay, first item I got is beans. No, give my beans back. Oh, what's that? Oh, I'm done. Ooh, that was a big one. Whew. I'm coming back.
Okay. All right, so our second item of the list.
Big one. Oh, yeah.
All right, our second item of the list today.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I just farted. Okay.
Okay, so the second item of our list today is drugs or chocolate.
Mm. 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 Give me more of that. 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 Give me more.
Gee, Tyler, revive me.
Ah!
Body, police on my body.
Thank you. Then okay, Tyler, chill out. Okay, my cooldown's gone. Okay, I'm safe now. Bro, what just happened? Anyway, back to the video.
Oh.
Sorry, no, I'm sorry. Okay, I'll stop. I surrender.
Okay, so our second item of the list today is
Wait, Tyler, how do you put your Glock right there?
Taki.
You're gonna-
One singular Taki. Ah!
Tyler!
In my backpack. Anyways, I just don't like to subscribe to Tyler. I can subscribe to Rex Cruz 6BR67.
No sponsoring.
Tyler, revive me!
No sponsoring on the channel yet.
Chill, I never said nothing.
Okay, our last item today, we have an egg. My bad.
Sorry, but I don't have nothing. Wow, worst
You got an
last
egg.
item ever, bro. Tyler, nothing's coming out.
Uh,
Oh my god. Ow! Y'all losers died. Tyler, give me my gun back. I know you have it.
Oh, know what you're talking about. All right, everybody. So that concludes today's video. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to Crooks VR67. Go
Hey.
now. Do not subscribe to Tyler. Hurry up now. Bye.
I told you. Stop sponsoring. Hey. Hey. Oh, you get back here.
No.
You're gonna stay here.
No, please. No.
After editing, I just realized we forgot to eat the burrito. So, look for the burrito shot in one of my shorts later. See y'all. Have a wonderful day.